In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your custom CSS console editor to change the appearance of calendar day blocks in Chrome. To begin, open Chrome and navigate to the custom CSS console editor panel where your style adjustments can be made. This is the area where you can directly control how certain visual elements appear on the page. In this case, the goal is to update the styling of calendar day blocks so they become easier to read and stand out more clearly. Once you're in the editor panel view, locate the space where you can add or edit CS. This is where you'll place the style rule that overrides the default calendar appearance. Carefully enter the following CSS definition so the calendar day blocks adopt a new text color and background color, YUE3 calendar day color. Important. Background, just use UZUZIRI, important. This rule targets the calendar day elements directly. The text color is set to white and the background is set to black. The important flag is included to make sure these values take priority over existing styles that may already be applied by the page. If the original design is difficult to read or doesn't provide enough contrast, this override can make the calendar much more visible. After entering the CSS, take a moment to review it for accuracy. Even a small typo in a class name, bracket, or semicolon can prevent the style from being applied correctly. It's also a good idea to make sure the code is placed in the correct section of the editor so the override affects the intended layout. If needed, you can also adjust related visual settings such as border scaling, background emphasis, or the overall shape and configuration of the blocks. These kinds of refinements can help match the calendar styling more closely with the rest of your interface. Just be careful to keep your changes consistent so the design remains clean and usable. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply the update. After saving, refresh the page or revisit the calendar area if necessary to confirm that the new styling has taken effect. You should now see the day blocks displayed with white text on a black background, making them more prominent and easier to distinguish. That's all there is to it. With a simple CSS override, you can quickly improve visibility and take more control over the way interface elements are displayed in Chrome.